I would like to say hello, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to every family member and all of my fans as well. We have a big feast as a family that we had prepared from Le Petit Caribbean Creole flavor. I would like to say thank you for all of the support. We have every dinner that we had made that are 100% natural from our flavored food. We have the turkey that we made alongside with rice, with dessert, which is potato pie, sweet potato pies, and along with some plantain that we made with ham covered with bacon alongside with pineapple. Here they are. Here they are. And we also made lettuce and red beets and macaroni and salad macaroni as well alongside and some plantain. Here they are. Here they are. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving to all my fans and everybody. Have a good day. Mabdi bonne fête koden à tout moun. Happy Thanksgiving. Men un gros family style manje ke nou fe ki 100% naturel nan kombi lakay nou. Men koden ke nou fe ansam avek banan, avek du riz, le riz, ansam avek macaroni salade ni gratine, ansam avek salade detu, ansam avek jambon, avek anana ni bacon sou li. Epi nou fe ankor, nou fe dessert tou, tab family style, men yo me zami men yo, map kontine di nou mersi pou support nou. S'il vous plaît, share page lan, komante sou page lan, like page lan. Ok? Share page lan. Merci en pile, en pile, en pile. Passez un bon jounet.